Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're checking out Reve AI. And honestly, this tool is super impressive. It lets you edit images with such crazy consistency that it almost feels like magic. You can swap out backgrounds, change outfits, tweak lighting, or even create full environments. And the best part is, the main subject of your photo stays perfectly intact every single time. Let's start by looking at some examples on their official site. Just pay attention here. The background completely changes. Sometimes it's a city, sometimes a landscape, sometimes even a whole new setup, but the person in the picture never loses shape or detail. That's already something most editing tools struggle with, and Reve AI does it effortlessly. Now, let's not waste time. Let's actually try it ourselves. So first things first, we sign up for a free account. It barely takes a minute, and once that's done, we're ready to upload our very first photo. Now here's the main editing page. This is where the fun begins. You can either write your own custom instructions for whatever changes you want, or, this is my favorite part, you can use the preset prompts the AI gives you. And what's cool is these presets aren't random. They actually update in real time based on your photo. The AI analyzes a picture and then suggests edits that make sense, which is honestly a huge time saver. All right. Let's upload our first test image. We got a faceless figure in an orange jumpsuit, sitting at a plain white table. Pretty simple. Now let's start editing. I tell Reve AI to change the outfit, and within seconds, it generates not one, but 3 different variations. That's the system. Every time you edit, it gives you 3 fresh options. For this one, we got a sharp formal suit, a clean lab coat, and even a military uniform. I'm going to select the formal suit and push this a little further. Now I ask it to add a tie. Boom! 3 tie variations pop up instantly, black, blue, and red. I kind of like the blue one, but just to test it, I asked the AI to switch it to red. And just like that, it gives me 3 new red tie styles. Super fast, super consistent. Next, I decide to change things up and ask for a bow tie instead. And of course, Reve AI doesn't disappoint. 3 fresh bow ties in red, white, and black. Notice how smooth this is. It only changes the part we're editing, while everything else stays untouched. That's where Reve AI really shines. Now let's move on to colors. I asked it to change the shirt color, and wow, the accuracy is spot on. The shirt changes instantly while the rest of the image looks completely untouched. On top of that, the tool lets you isolate elements individually. So for fun, I changed the lighting to a warm red glow, and I also swapped the plain white table for a wooden one. The result? Clean, natural, and incredibly realistic. But let's not stop at clothing. Let's test it with bigger transformations. I asked Reve AI to generate a landscape photo. And just look at this. 3 different scenic backgrounds, but the figure remains perfectly consistent across all of them. Then I switch it to panoramic view, and it gives me a wide, cinematic-style shot that feels like something out of a film. And finally, we push it to the limit by requesting a 360-degree environment. This one blew me away. It created immersive environments with added details like a round table and extra chairs, almost like building a whole scene around the subject. The best part is how effortless the entire process feels. You don't need to be a professional editor or spend hours tweaking details. You just type what you want or select from the AI's preset ideas, and the results look polished every single time. It's fast, it's consistent, and honestly, it's kind of addictive to keep experimenting with. I'll guide you through all of these steps in detail, so you can follow along easily. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll see just how much you can do with Reve AI. From small tweaks like accessories to full-on environment changes. This tool really opens up endless creative possibilities for your images. And once you try it, you'll see exactly what I mean. So let's dive in and start creating together.